Cap 26 here. We're just doing repairs and tips, and this is not a repair, but we did some sculpting in clay, and then we cast it in a mold, and we cast this out of plaster, and then we painted it. And this is Professor Upset. He's kind of upset with the students, and he's a little off balance. We put him on a cardboard base, and just turn him around here for you and take a look at him. We painted him with acrylic paint, and we're going to do some lacquer coating on him afterwards. You know, art is one of my things. I don't know if you know that about me, but that's what I do. And besides repairs and other things. So I just wanted to show you that, and hope it didn't scare you at all. But that's the latest. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please rate and subscribe.